rise and shine. A new day, time for fun. School today. Meet new friends, teachers too. Ding, 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 school bell rings. Time for school.
This is Davey. And here's Abbie with her mum and baby brother. All the children are going to pick blackberries and apples with their teacher, Mrs. Fieldhouse.
Does anybody know where the blackberries are? In our garden. Yes. Here's the plan. We get all our things together and we go in search of blackberries. How about that?
Yes, and apples.
And apples. Don't forget the apples.
Sounds like a good idea, hey Charlie?
Go to Mrs. Edmondson for a coat. Make a line. Line up, form a queue. 1, 2, 3, 4, you and you. Searching for blackberries.
Can you see the blackberries? They grow on prickly bushes called brambles.
Look at all these. They're massive.
There's a lovely one there, Abbie. There's one trying to escape there, Charlie. Now, we don't want the ones that aren't ripe.
Is this one white? 3, 4, 5, 6. This white.
Look how careful Davey is. Only the berries that have turned black are ready to eat.
Blackberry.
Good girl.
How
many have you got, Davey?
3.
3.
1.
1.
2. 3.
Should we go and sit at that table there and have a look what we've got?
Let's put the fruit in the middle.
Excellent idea. Okay, now let's have a look at this wonderful crop of blackberries. Why can't we eat them straight away?
They need to be washed.
They need to be washed. There really aren't enough blackberries here for the whole school, are there?
No.
So, any ideas what we could do?
Let's go and pick some more.
Well, there aren't any more blackberries, but what do we have?
Apples.
Should we go and get some more apples?
Apples.
Like that one. Come on then.
Let's go.
Look, these apple trees are small, which means it's easy to reach the apples.
That's a nice big one.
That'll take. Yes, there. No, yes, there.
No more apples left. I had that one.
What full bowls of fruit.
What?
There you go.
Doesn't Mrs. Cornell make apple crumble for lunch sometime?
Mrs. Cornell and reception could make apple crumble with her.
How about apple,
Blackberry.
apple and blackberry crumble?
Yeah.
Time to visit Mrs. Cornell, the school cook. Lots of apples and blackberries, Mrs. Cornell.
Oh my goodness.
Right, apple.
Excuse me, Mrs. Cornell.
Yes, Abbie.
Give me the blackberries and apple.
We could make an apple and blackberry crumble with that for pudding.
Yeah! That's what we need to do.
For the whole school.
Yeah. Have you got time?
I do have time.
Yay! Thank you.
You're welcome.
Mrs. Cornell peels and slices the apples. Charlie, Davey and Abbie are going to help make the crumble. First, they have to wash their hands.
Dip, dip, dip. Right, Charlie, can you put that on yourself?
Then they put on special cooking clothes.
Abbie, come and get your jacket. One for you. Oh, perfect bakers. Let me do your buttons.
Can I get a smaller hat?
There's only those size. That fits you perfect. Here's the blackberries, and they've already been washed.
Wow.
Don't they feel funny?
They feel lovely.
And I'll get the apples. There we go. I've already cooked them.
Mushy?
Mushy, because they're cooked. Oh.
Yes.
Oh, put it right in the middle, I would think.
Move it, move it. Ah.
Spoon, spoon, spoon.
I'm going to do this.
We need to fill up the whole tray. It's for the whole school. Oh. Super. Another one. Scoop it all in. You manage? And Charlie, go on.
Can I pat it?
We're going to have to pat it so it all fits in the dish. What do you think's coming next?
These. Do I have to squeeze them?
I think we'll share them out.
I'm going to eat them.
Nope, they're going in the crumble. There we go.
Put mine in.
You're going to put them into the crumble, Abbie. Into the apples. Charlie,
Can I have yours?
you can have this spoon in a minute. Lay them on top. That's it. Charlie, you start putting yours in. Super.
That's mine.
Separate yours.
I did four.
Hey, put one over there. Put one over there in the corner. Do you think that looks nice?
Yeah.
Super. Put that in.
They're ready to crumble. In goes the flour.
Sugar, sugar. Not so quick. We're measuring and we're nearly there. Oh, stop. That's it. Don't lose any. Ah. Right, Davey. Super.
Can I
Some
mix
more.
it with my hands?
A big dollop of margarine.
No, you don't mix it because you didn't.
In a minute, Abbie told the margarine's got to go in, the butter.
Can I do this first?
Charlie's turn. Right.
And a bit of sugar.
Stop. Super. That's it.
Wow.
And mix, mix, mix.
So the flour and the sugar's all mixed in.
Sticky.
That's it. Is it lovely and crumbly?
Where it comes from?
Now it's got to be everywhere, okay? Or some people will have crumble and some won't.
I get blue.
Right. Oh, that's perfect in the corners.
I've made my own sticky.
That's us finished. Look, it's the crumbles all on.
Ready to go in the oven.
Because we have to put it in the oven. So it's nice and crispy on the top for everybody to have pudding.
Is the oven hot?
The oven is hot. The oven's on. That's it. We've made a crumble.
Lunch and apple crumble time. Yummy.
Davey, Charlie and Abbie are going to serve you the special pudding for today, which is apple and blackberry crumble.
With custard?
Adam and Tyler are the first to taste the crumble.
Right, Charlie, you put the spoon in. Along that way, Adam. And Abbie will give you your pudding.
Then it's crumble time for everybody else.
Abbie, give it to Jonathan. Thank you, Abbie. Reggie, what would you like?
This is hard work.
like berries, do you?
Abbie loves the crumble she helped make.
I think they're delicious.
And so does Charlie.
Yeah. You know what I love? Daniel's is...
There you go to try it.
Davey isn't so sure until he tastes it.
And? Is it a thumbs up? Yeah.
He thinks it's delicious too.